All right, let's start on this mega classic patch by Herbie Hancock. We'll start by holding down the down button and pressing latch in order to initialize our patch. And we'll go ahead and switch to the 4-pole ladder filter because I'm pretty sure that this was made on an ARP Odyssey, which has a ladder filter. Let's set oscillator 1 volume down to 64 or so, and about halfway, and we'll set oscillator 2 at full volume and bump it up an octave because we have this octave sound going on. Okay, so our filter is our ladder filter. We're gonna set keyboard tracking, which is on the Pro 3, and filter miscellaneous, this key greater than LPF frequency. Let's set that to halfway, so that's 64 out of 128 or 127. And we'll go ahead and set our cutoff down to 0. And we'll get all of our cutoff, all the openness of the filter from our filter envelope. So let's set that amount up to about 70. And this is a kind of reverse envelope sound, so let's just get some attack. We'll get 22 on attack. And we'll get full sustain here, and just ignore the decay since sustain is full. And I'm gonna leave release pretty tight, but I'm gonna set it up to 20 because I don't want it to close while the amp envelope is still closing itself. So on the amp envelope, we're also gonna add some attack here. Let's make that about 20. Set and leave sustain at 127 and leave the release at 16. Well, this is the sound. And we can add a little bit of secret sauce here because it was an old recording and it was made on a synth that's now vintage. So we can add in a little bit of dirt by modulating our cutoff of the filter with noise, just a little bit. So go ahead and hold down source and wiggle the noise knob, and then hold down destination, wiggle the cutoff knob, and add a really small amount. I like this at like 3, but you can hear it gets pretty loud pretty quickly. So I find that 3 is about the point where it's like just barely noticeable, and that's it. And there you have it. I find this patch super useful in general. It's great for playing over all kinds of different music. Enjoy!